Yo, what is up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. So yes, let's get straight to it. And before you enter into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research, of course. So what I see here, so let's go to SPY, of course. We'll start with SPY, the Qs, all that good stuff. All right, so let's go to a lower time frame, and then we'll work our way down. So personally, yes. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good morning. Good to see you all. All right, so today I'm ready for some more trades, of course. Honestly, I do see something here. Let's go to a 1 hour, try to break this one down. So yeah, same thing here. This is what I'm seeing, and this doesn't look that bad at all. So, oh, this looks really good. So same thing here. What do I see here first? Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering, and all that I need here is a top wall and also a bottom wall. So top, we also have a bottom wall here, and this is an area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to target to the downside. Yes, what is this? A wall. So yes, we have, let me go ahead and make it perfect really quickly. One second here. One second. All right, yeah, we made it perfect. There are two body candles closing directly at the same line. Yeah, Houston Daniels, thanks for liking live. Really appreciate it. All right, so yes, clear move up, no consolidation. Where are we at? We are stuck in consolidation. So no, I am not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples, so please do your own research. If we do end up breaking and closing under this wall, I'm looking for the next resistance. I want to take it all the way down here. So yes, this is also another box, and yeah, I know this is a bigger box, but same thing here. We don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to take a trade to consolidation. And as of right now, yes, we are currently you know, consolidating. So there's just nothing that, you know, I would want to, you know, take here right now, except for just to wait for a good play. Give me a second. So yeah, same thing. What do I see? Empty space. If we're consolidating, I don't want to do anything here. Yes, just like what yesterday, just like the day before. I do got to clean up the free chat a little bit, but anyways, yesterday, what do I see here? And we call it AMD, so clear move down, all of these red candles, waiting for a top wall to be broken. Boom, we went up a tag, targeted. Same thing, SMCI, clear move down, no consolidation. We break above consolidation. I want to take it to the upside. So same thing there. Could you do it in the video? Yeah, I can definitely do the video. Yeah, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. So yeah, let's definitely do that as well. And that's exactly what we called yesterday. I look for the same play each and every day. I don't change anything at all. Yes, what is this? Clear move down, no consolidation. We break above consolidation. I want us to go up tap. And yes, we mainly do swing trades in here as well. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So that is on the SPY. That does look fairly amazing. All right, so first TP would still be, so my first, you know, take profit would still be the middle of the move from the entry to the exit. So yes, the literal middle of the move, and that's exactly what I like. That looks really good. Yo, Megs, what's up? Appreciate you for joining back in. Yo, Phantom, thanks for the follow. What are your thoughts on TWLO? Yeah, I'll take a look at that too as well. So you want to see NVIDIA? So yeah, let's go to NVIDIA, and then after this one, we'll go to the Qs, of course. All right, so let's see. I think we had something here. So I think this is on a 24-hour. So actually, or was it a 4-hour? Give me a second. All right. So yes, I'm still currently waiting for this. What do we have here? And same exact thing here, guys. We have, and yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. You have to do your own research, of course. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, links in the bio for the Discord. You can see the gains page. You can see the testimonials, what we do here. I wish I could show you, but I can't. But yeah, what do I see here? Clear move down of no consolidation. We need to break over a top wall, and this top wall is going to be very important because we need to break above it in order for us to target the upside. So right now, yesterday we were very, very close to getting above, but sellers gained control, which allowed price to drop. So right now, I'm just going to wait. That looks good. Not bad. Crowd strike, yeah, no worries. We can definitely do that as well. Yo, Megs, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Dr. One Fly, what's up? How are you today? Good to see you all. Good to see you all once again. So that is all in the video. Let's go down to a lower time frame though. I actually, you know, yes, there is a little bit of a move to the upside and the downside. So same thing. What do I see here? In the video, what contracts would you recommend? 0 DTE or give it a week? So it really just depends on what time, you know, these plays are happening. So let's just say it happens this morning. You know, I definitely would want to do 0 DTE and try to get that quick move. But if it happens, you know, later in the afternoon, then I just don't want to, you know, mess with the 0 DTEs. You know, the contracts will be decaying, expiring today. So I would definitely buy some time. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples here. So yes, please do your own research. But yeah, this doesn't look bad. We have this clear move up with all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And once we do end up breaking below that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, down here. And yes, what is this? Another consolidation box. So right now, what are we doing? We are in consolidation. I'm not going to do anything. Obviously, yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, of course. All right, so clear move up. I would love to take it to the downside. First TP would still be the middle of the move. And right now, if we are stuck in consolidation, do I want to take a trade here? Absolutely not. We are not even, you know, so this is another consolidation box. This is top wall, bottom wall there. You could have even done that. But yes, I don't want to take a trade here because what are we doing? We are consolidating. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. This play is still in consolidation. So yeah, there's just nothing for us to do for that. So that is on the video. That does look actually fire. We'll just have to see how everything plays out with that. So that was on the video. Let's see. So crowd, let's look at that. All right, so same thing here. Let's go to a higher time frame. So it doesn't matter which time frame I use. I look for the same play each and every day. TWLO, yeah, TWLO, and also the Qs. Oh yeah, we'll have to do the Qs after this one. So after this, you know, I do love the Qs. So that's exactly what we'll do next. Ooh, give me a second here. All right, so, all right, give me a second. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame really quickly. All right, so on a 24-hour, I don't see anything that I like, but on a 4-hour, this is what I see here. So give me a second. All right, so on a 4-hour, I'm looking for the same play each and every day. How can you explain how do you know when it's consolidation? So basically, when candle, so you know how I know when it's consolidating is when I see candles. So red and green candles basically going back and forth. So this is an area of consolidation. So I don't want to take a trade here. I want to make sure that I find no consolidation. So right here, as you can see, same thing. What is this? Boom. We see a clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what we would want to take to the upside. Obviously, what do we need? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So the top wall, bottom wall that I'm seeing, points of contact. So body candle and another body candle closing directly at the same price. And I'm waiting on this one to break above consolidation to target into the next one. So I don't see any resistance until here. And then boom, this is another box, another area of consolidation here. So right now, what are we doing? Price is at what, this 434 area? So no, there's nothing for us to do except for just to wait. We have the empty space, we know exactly what we like, but that looks really good. And yes, guys, all my plays will look exactly like. This is what we call just yesterday, AMD. We swing trades, clear move down. We have an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. We end up breaking above the wall. Want us to go up and tap. So same thing there. Same thing with SMTI. Clear move down. Want us to break above the wall, the level. We go up and tap. So same thing there. All these trades will look exactly alike. It doesn't matter. So yeah, let's go to the Qs. Let's see. In your experience using this strategy, what's your win rate? So it really, honestly, win rate doesn't really matter because I have a break-even stop loss each and every trade. Like I don't really care if I lose or not. But yes, you can see inside the gains page. You can see inside the testimonials what we do here. But yeah, if I have to take a loss, it's fine. You know, I have a break-even stop loss. I always re-enter. But I'm looking for the full move. So once I am able to catch the full move, that's really all that matters. Yo, good morning, happy Friday. So yeah, it doesn't even feel like it's Friday. Feels like it's like Wednesday or Thursday, but you know what? It's fine. It's cool. Ready to knock this day out. It's going to be a great day. So yes, yesterday we had a great day for the Discord. You can see what we did there. And yes, if you want to join up, link is in the bio. We have the free chat and also the VIP chat. But right here, this does look good, and I've been waiting on this trade for a very long time. What do I see here first? So the first thing I saw was a clear move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is our area of consolidation that we need to break to the upside. Obviously, what do we need? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So top I'm seeing here, and there's a bottom here. And above us, so now we can actually go ahead and circle exactly what we're targeting. Boom, clear empty space. And if we end up breaking above this level of this wall, so yes, this is where these contracts or these candles are having a very hard time getting over. So body candle and another body candle here. And if we end up breaking above that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys. Hold on, give me a second. That's the wrong one. All right, so horizontal line, cool. I don't see any resistance to boom, here. And this is another area of consolidation. So boom, there's a top wall here and also a bottom wall here. And right now, what are we doing? Absolutely nothing. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, you have to do your own research. I'm only going over examples. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. But yes, right now, if we're in consolidation and price is at this 484 area, there's just nothing that I want to do here. But if we have a candle body closing above this wall here, I would love to take it to the upside. So yes, all my plays are going to look exactly the same. So same thing. AMD, we had a clear move down. QQQ, clear move down. I want us to break over consolidation. We end up breaking over it. I want us to go up to the upside. So same thing with what? The Qs. Clear move down. Yes, we're stuck in consolidation. And if we're in consolidation, I'm not doing anything at all except for just to wait. Obviously, first TP would still be the middle of the move. So from my entry to the exit, the literal middle of this move is exactly what I like. And this is where price can typically end up reversing. So right now, yes, it's just a wait game. I don't have anything for me to do except for just to wait. Obviously, if I want to go to a lower time frame, so yes, I can go down to like even a 30-minute. We can find some empty space here. So boom, even this like small move here. What is this? Boom. This is also another move. We have, one second there. Body candle closing directly the same line. We have also another box here. So on a 30-minute chart, this also does look fairly decent. We have empty space below us as well. And right now, no, there's just nothing for me to do. We are still consolidating. But yeah, that does look really good. Not bad though. So yes, empty space here. But I do like this empty space to the upside above this level here. So yeah, that looks really good. That looks pretty fire. So right now, what is there for me to do? Absolutely nothing. I'm not going to do anything except for just to wait. So yeah, you want to go over TWLO? Yeah, gotcha, man. No worries. And AMZN, yo, Bill, what's up? What's up? Good to see you all once again. All right, so give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Yo, I'm back. I swear I'm here. I am here. All right, so now let's keep on going. Yeah, no worries. So TWLO. Let's go down to a 24-hour. So 24-hour actually looks really good. So it looks like for TWLO, we did end up breaking above this wall here. And what do we see? Yo, Ant, what's up? Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yes, we see empty space here. We did end up closing above this wall into the empty space. And then now that I see that we are rejecting this bottom wall here, so we'd love to see it keep going up. But yeah, we'll just have to see. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, there is empty space up there that does look really good. Buyers just have to step back in order for us to do that. But yeah, not bad, not bad. So Qs looks pretty good. A lot of these trades look really good here as well. Oh my gosh, Apple went freaking wild. 213 to out 206. That's pretty crazy. All right, so now let's keep on going. Let's go to a different one, different stock. Honestly, let's go to IMCC. Let's see if there's anything here. And yes, all of my trades will look exactly alike. I don't change literally anything at all. So honestly, let's go to a 1 hour possibly, and we'll try to break this one down. So same thing here. What do I see? And this doesn't look bad at all. Obviously, yes, I know that we're all the way up at this 22 area. So there's just nothing for us to do. But yes, this. What am I seeing? Clear. Move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. We do have this top wall, this bottom wall here. And boom, that looks really good. Under us, we have empty space that does look pretty decent. So right now, there's just nothing for me to do except for just to wait. But yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Not bad at all. Nvidia, still waiting on this one. Personally, if I want to take this trade, it does look fairly decent. So we are personally still consolidating here. But yeah, every single trade will look exactly alike. It doesn't matter. If I see a clear move up, I would love to take it to the downside. If I see a clear move down, I would love to take it to the upside. So right now, yes, we are consolidating in between these two levels. So no, I don't want to do anything at all except for just to wait. And yes, all of my plays, and I've shown this, many times. But yes, all of my plays are going to look exactly alike. I don't change literally anything at all. So yes, what is this? Empty space, clear move down. We end up breaking above consolidation. I want us to go up a tap. So yes, clear move, we break above. Same thing, the Qs. Clear move down, we end up breaking above this level of this wall. We go up a tap. So same thing. I'm waiting. So clear move down here. No consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. And yeah, that looks really decent. That looks really good. All right, so that was on there. That was there. Let's go to AMZN. So AMZN, Amazon. Let's see what the damage is here. Man, okay, so personally, we'll go ahead and break this one down too as well. So 24-hour chart. This is what I'm seeing here. So yes, we do have empty spaces above us as well. Yo, John, what's up, man? How are you? Good to see you once again, John. All right, yeah, we can get to RKLB. Yeah, no worries. All right, so yes, we have empty space here, but personally, this looks fairly decent to me. And what do I mean by this? Wow, this looks very beautiful. So same thing. What do I see here? We see a clear move up. All of these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, what do I need here? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So this top wall, bottom wall that I'm seeing is points of contact, and this is where price is having a hard time getting under. Yeah, doing good, man. Yeah, same here, bro. So I'm just honestly ready for some more trades. Yesterday we had a great day, so we're just gonna try to finish the weekend off with a good bang. Yo, Scott, what's up? Looking at PLT. Yeah, let me definitely take a look at that. Yeah, no worries. So after this one, we can go over PLTR. No worries at all. So yes, what is this right here? We are clearly consolidating in between these two areas. So this is also top wall, another bottom wall here. So in between, we have no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to target. Obviously, yes, what do we need here? We need from entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move is exactly what I'm targeting. So each day, I'm looking for a trade, and I'm looking at area consolidation. So this bottom wall is going to be very important because we need to break under it in order for us to target to the downside. So you can see buyers are controlling this floor here. So buyers' job is to keep price pushing up. And once we came back down here, buyers push price up, buyers push price up. So we need buyers to get exhausted and sellers to step in in order for us to take it to the downside. But yeah, that doesn't look bad. Yo, thanks for following. Really appreciate it. And yes, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. We also have the VIP chat. This is where we give signals. If you want to see what we do here, look in the games page, look in the testimonial chat. Everyone there is pretty cool. Yo, Chris, what's up? IWM and yeah, RIVN, yeah, no worries. So yeah, let's do RKLB really quickly. So RKLB, and yes, I'll pretty much go over everything. So that's definitely the wrong one. All right, so RKLB. Let's see. So it looks like we are still above this wall here. That does look pretty decent. But I will say, give me a second here. So yeah, there is still a lot of empty space above us. I will, actually say I did end up claiming lots once we did end up, going up to this top. But yeah, if we can keep going up and buyers, can still step in, that empty space looks really good. But no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So yeah, we'll just have to see with that. But yeah, still lots of empty space. Not bad, not bad. PLTR, let's do it. PLTR. So yeah, PLTR, let's see. All right, so I think we had something on the, so lower time frame, this is what I have here. And yes, same thing here. I look for the same setup each and every day. I don't change it whatsoever. So yeah, we'll do IWM after this one, and we'll do also RIVN. So appreciate you all for tuning back in. Really appreciate it. All right, so what am I seeing here? All right, it's getting, give me a second. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, same thing, guys and gals. What am I seeing? Right here, you can see this is an area of consolidation. I don't want to take a trade here. But this down here, I see a clear move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. And boom, this is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. Yes, what do we need now? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So top and also a bottom. And as you can see, we have body candle and another body candle closing directly at the same price. And yes, this is where, these candles are having a hard time getting under. And I usually go by 2 points of contact or more. So when I'm making a box, as you can see, bottom wall, point of contact here. Also top wall, 2 points of contact. So that's enough for me to understand, like, okay, we have a top wall, we have a bottom wall as well. And yes, if we do end up breaking under this wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance. And I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this red candle here. So yes, we are, personally, yes, we're still in consolidation area. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here, except for just to wait. But under this 108.21, down to that 101.29, that looks really good. Yes. First TP would still be the middle of the move. And that's from the entry to the exit. The literal middle is my inbounds. This is where we typically trim most contracts. So right now, what is there for us to do? Absolutely nothing except for just to wait. I'm going to wait for a lot of these trades. And yes, that's pretty much it. I don't change anything at all. And yeah, if I have a, trade set, like, I was waiting for AMD, and we caught AMD, yesterday? I was waiting for that trade for a long time. So BA, same thing here. 24-hour charts. And yes, we mainly do swing trading in here. So if you are planning on joining, I will be honest, we mainly do swing trading. So the last hour is when we get into all of our entries. Clear move down, we break above the level, a wall, we go up and tap. Same thing here. BA, clear move down. We have a consolidation area we need to break. We end up breaking it into the empty space. Same thing with DLTR, clear move down, no consolidation. We broke above the wall, we go up and tap. So yeah, same thing. We don't change anything at all. And yes, I give out instructions inside my VIP Discord, what to do here, like entries, areas, all that, signals and stuff like that. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, links in the bio as well. So IWM and RIVN, yeah, no worries. Gotcha, Chris. So yeah, that was on PLTR. Oh man. So IWM, it looks like we did end up, so yes, what was this? We had empty space, and yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, we had a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, what do we have here? We had a top wall that needed to be broken, We ended up gapping above this wall, gapping up into this final take profit. Obviously, let's go ahead and remove this so we can actually see. All right, so yeah. No, I did not enter into this one, but yeah, that did look pretty fire. Let me go to a 24-hour really quickly. So 24-hour doesn't look bad, but yeah, let me go to a 4-hour, 1 hour, and we'll see what the damage is here. All right, so, oh, okay, this looks fairly decent. It clearly looks like we are tapping into this empty space here. So, boom, empty space here. But personally, this is what I'm seeing. That does look pretty fire. So, yeah, Catherine, you went actually wild. So, yeah, it gapped up into my final TP. But yes, what do we see here? Clear move down of no consolidation. And yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, you have to do your own research, of course. We have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall. And this top wall that I'm seeing here, points of contact. So body wick and 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And if we end up breaking above this wall, this level here, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom. So this is also, you can say this, another area of consolidation. So we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation, and that looks really good. Yo, Jeff, what's up, dude? Yeah, we'll definitely look at CAVA. Honestly, I was contemplating about yesterday, but yeah, let's see if there's something good on there too. Good to see you, Jeff. All right, so yeah, right now we are, all the way at this 198. So there's just nothing for us to do right now. So yeah, that looks really good. So RIVN, gotcha, Chris. Let's do it. So we'll do RIVN and then we'll do CAVA. Yo, Steve, Scuba Steve, what's up, dude? Good to see you, man. All right, so yeah, let's see. All right, yeah, obviously it does look like we're going to the upside. Good news here. All right, so we did create a lot of empty space. So as you can see, what is this? Clear move up all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Yo, Francisco, what's up? Yeah, I can do SPY for you. Yo, cool dude, what's up, man? How are you, man? All right, so personally, let's see. Yo, working to be jobless. What's up, dude? How are you, man? Target, AMD. So AMD, yeah, we'll definitely do that. I'll go back over it. Yeah, no worries. All right, so yes, there is a little bit of empty space here. So yeah, empty space is there. I personally like this move a little bit better. So as you can see, what is this here? Clear move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, what do we need? Bottom wall and also a top wall. So top wall here. There's also a bottom wall there. And in between, so under us, what is under us? We have empty space. So boom. So we have body candle, body wick closing directly the same line. Under us, I don't see any resistance until down here. And yes, this is a very good move that looks really good. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So right now, am I going to wait? I'm going to wait because this is still an area of consolidation. So boom, in between, no consolidation, that's exactly what I want. As you can see, what do we have here? From the top wall to the bottom wall, inside of the middle, we have empty space. And that looks really good. So right now, no, I'm not getting into any of these trades. But yeah, that does look really good. RIVN to the upside. So yeah, same thing here. Let's see. Personally, if I, see the upside, so yeah, we can always have downside movements and upside. So upside, what I see here, at least on the 4-hour, same thing, guys. Look, clear move down, no consolidation, and all that we would need here is a top wall and bottom wall. So look, there's another top. Also, there's another bottom. And this is an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. As you can see, these candles here are having a hard time getting over this wall. So if we do end up breaking and closing over this wall here, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle there. And this is also, you can, even say this is an area of consolidation as well. So right now, there is just nothing for us to do except for wait. We have our, play set. That looks really fire. So as of right now, there's just nothing for us to do. At least for me, I'm not going to do anything except for just wait for some trades. But yeah, that looks really good. So that was on RIVN. Let's go to what? CAVA and SPY, and then we'll do AMD. So yeah, CAVA. All right, so Let's see what the damage is here. All right, so I think we did this on a weekly chart. So same thing here, yes. I could have ended up swinging this one, but anyways, yeah. What do we see here? Same exact thing. This actually looks really decent. We have a top wall that we need to break above. And yes, this is almost the end of the candle. Yeah, no worries, Chris. Appreciate you for tuning back in, man. Really appreciate it. So yeah, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give out signals. If you want to see the type of work that we do, you can go to the games page. You can go to testimonials. Obviously, I wish I could show you here, but I just can't. But honestly, this looks good end of day. So yes, most of my trades, so my main trades will be at the end of the day. So the last hour is when I mainly get into my positions. Right here, what do I see? Clear move down of no consolidation. And right here, this box right here, this is an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. As you can see, there's a body wick and another body wick closing directly at the same price. And if we end up breaking above this wall and closing above, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this 111 area right here. And that looks fairly decent. That looks pretty fire. So right now, is there anything that I am going to do here? I could have took it this yesterday, but I just didn't really want to. But yeah, by the end of today, that does look pretty fire. So yeah, we'll just have to see what's up. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. Q's. Oh wow, Q's looking pretty good. Hopefully this move doesn't happen. Oh, yeah, that looks really good, really fire. We'll just have to see if it ends up breaking above. But yeah, that does look fairly decent. So that was on CAVA. Let's go to a different one. So let's go to so SPY, and then we'll go to AMD and Apple. Yeah, no worries. So SPY, let's do it. So SPY, AMD, and Apple as well. So same thing here. What do I see here? Let's see. Let's go to a. Ooh, hold on. Let's get rid of all these trades. And yeah, let me make sure that the VIP chat and the free chat, they're doing good. Oh yeah, let's see. 1 second here. All right, we're good. All right, yeah, we're chill. All right, so oh, yeah, we're good. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right, so same thing. Ooh, LUV looking pretty good. That looks pretty fire. All right, so SPY. Let's go over SPY really quickly. And yes, all my trades are going to look exactly like. I don't change anything. Yo, Catherine, yeah, Shining. Good morning. Good to see you. EA and Diz, yeah, we'll definitely do that. Yeah, no worries. Let me see what the Qs look like. They're trying. So, all right, so same thing here. What am I seeing? Looking for empty space, Potter boxes, of course. Personally, for SPY, it looks like we are going up to the upside. Let's go down to a 1 hour chart, and then we'll break it down. Yes, guys, each play is going to look exactly the same. Even in my Discord, I have my same play each and every day. I don't change anything. I set my targets, and we wait for trades. You can ask the members, like, okay, do I end up changing anything? No. You can look at all my charts, too. So, boom, what do we see here? Clear move down of no consolidation, and PBS works. Dude, I know. So, yeah, this strategy, is great. I'm going to pin this comment as well. Shout out Potter Stocks PBS as well. But, yeah, we don't change anything at all. The play either works or it doesn't. We have a break-even stop loss or a very minimal stop loss, and that's pretty much it. So this one looks exactly like the Qs. So same thing here. What do we have? We have a top wall that needs to be broken out of. So body candle and another body candle closing directly at the same price. And this is where these candles are having a hard time getting over. And if we do end up breaking above this wall, breaking above this level, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. So yes, this is also you can always break it down. This is another box. So we're basically trading from one box to the next box. Right now, what is there for us to do? Absolutely nothing. I am not going to take any trades right now. I'm just going to wait for a good trade. And that's pretty much it. That's exactly how I do all of my trades each and every day. Yes, what is this? This is, we'll go ahead and recircle exactly what we're targeting. This is an area of no consolidation that we would love to take to the upside. As you can see, what is my first TP, my first take profit? The middle of the move. So the middle of the move. So the imbalance is exactly where I would want to take profits. But yeah, right now, what do I see here? There is, and no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. Yo, Vic, what's up? Yo, Trekker, thanks for the follow. Jose, thanks for the follow, man. Sergio, I can't join your Discord. So, the Discord link is in my bio. It's the first link inside of the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. But if that doesn't work, just give me a DM. I can send you, the free Discord or the VIP Discord. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, it is through there. It is through the WAP. Can you show us your last trade? So yeah, yeah, no worries. So yes, the link in my bio is for the Discord. It's that first link. You can join the free chat. You also can join the VIP chat. The VIP chat is where we give signals. You can literally look at the games page. You can see what we do here. You can look at the members, see what, the members do off the trades, all that good stuff. But yeah, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research, of course. But yeah, clear move up. I'm looking for the same move each and every day. And yes, we mainly focus on end of day swings. So the end of day swings is going to be our main focus, but I do, like to do a little bit of extra work and find some day trades for us. And that's pretty much it. It's fire. Yo, thank you so much, Vic. Shout out to Vic for pulling up once again. So my last trade. So you want to see my last trade. And this was it. Obviously, I got to clean up the games page a little bit, so just give me a chance here. All right, anyways. One second. All right, so this was my last trade. So this was just yesterday too. So I post all of my trades. As you can see, I was looking for a clear move down, and we ended up breaking above a level, breaking above a wall. We went up and tapped and target. So that was AMD. This was just yesterday. Obviously, we had SMCI as well. And if you want to see what we did on SMCI, you can look at the members. You can see what they did there too as well. And we ended up breaking above. So yes, I look for the same play each day, and that's pretty much it. We have the same play, and that's all that we do here. As you can see, let's see. One second. Looks like we did end up breaking above this wall, but it's pre-market. I definitely don't want to take anything here. Obviously, we can't even take anything. It's not even, can't even place any orders. But anyways, yes, let's keep on going. Oh, yo, no worries, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you for tuning back in. Hold on, give me a second. Let's see. Yeah, I really just don't want to chase this play. Looks like we may end up just tapping and targeting, but we'll see. So we did end up breaking into that empty space. Yeah, that doesn't look bad though. Doesn't look bad at all. All right, so yeah, that looks pretty fire. So that was the one with the cues. So one second. So we got to do Disney, EA, AMD. So AMD and Apple. So AMD. So for this one at least, this is what I'm seeing here. And I look for the same play literally every single day. I don't change anything at all. And as you can see, at least for AMD, this is what I see here. Let me go to a 4-hour, I believe. So yeah, 4-hour. So it looks like, yes, we have empty space to the downside and also the upside. So right now, at least, this is what I see here that does look pretty fire. That looks really good. What am I seeing here? And yes, same exact thing. How much have you made from trading? So I actually started, like years ago. I started like over 4 years ago. Definitely made some decent gains, but yo, thanks for liking live. Really appreciate it. So yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything, SMCI as well. As you can see, what is this? And yes, if you want to see what we do here inside the Discord, you can look at the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can even ask the members what we do. I don't BS anything. Like I show all my trades. Either they're going to work or they're not. Obviously, I'm looking for the bigger time frame moves. I'm looking for the bigger moves. And, that's just pretty much it. If I got to get tapped out, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, once I do catch that big move, it's going to be, it's wraps for sure. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, before you do anything at all, you have to do your own research. So yes, what is this? Clear move down of no consolidation. That outlook takes the upside. As you can see, we are, currently at this 98 area. So yes, we're still in consolidation mode. So there's just nothing for me to do here. So that was on AMD. Let's look at Apple. AAPL, let's see. Way in AAL. Yeah, no worries. We can definitely do that. Yeah, no worries at all. All right, so AAPL. Let's see. You know what? I don't even... Ooh, hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Give me a second here. Give me a second. Let me see what the keys are doing. Give me a second. Give me 1 second here. Looks like we did end up breaking above this wall. So yeah, we just got to be very careful. I personally don't like entering directly at open. So definitely just going to wait it out. All right, so Apple, I do see this. This does look fairly amazing. Obviously, yes, there's empty space to the upside, but I also see this downside movement. That does look pretty fire. And yes, same play each day. I'm not going to change anything at all. What do we see? Clear move up of all these green candles. We do have beautiful top. We also have a bottom. And under us, we see empty space all the way down to here. So this is another, top wall, bottom wall, and area of consolidation. So we don't want to trade from in consolidation. We want to take a trade to consolidation. As you can see, empty space looks absolutely amazing. So this is an area of no consolidation, and this is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yes, that does look fairly amazing. If we do end up breaking under that wall there, I don't see any resistance to down here. Yes, first TP would still be the middle of the move. And that's pretty much it. So yes, from my entry to the exit, the literal middle is exactly going to be, where I want to target, where I want to tap. Bro, how do you see empty space in a candle? So personally, how I, look at all these trades, if I see empty space, so right here, so we'll go ahead and break this one down again. So right here, what do we see? This right here, this is consolidation. You can see these candles going back and forth. There's just nothing that, looks good to me. But if you see this, so I look for a clear move up of all green candles with no red candles interfering. So I've seen these 3 green candles with no red candles interfering. And no, I don't even care about, the past tense. I don't care about any of that. But I seen this clear move up that I would love to take to the downside. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, more trades are going to look exactly the same. So even with the Qs, right here, this is an area of consolidation that I don't want to take. But here, we see a clear sell-off of no consolidation, and that's exactly what I want. Let me see what the chat is doing. Let me see what they're up to. All right, yeah, let's see. One second. All right, yeah, we're good. All right, yeah, I'm just checking to see what everyone here is doing. All right, yeah, we're good. All right, so yeah, same thing here. Wow, looks like, yeah, man, it looks like this play is already trying to go. That does look pretty good, though. But yeah, that's already happening pre-market, so I don't want to chase. Yeah, the Q. So personally, looks like we're already pretty much targeting to this empty space. So we did end up closing above this wall in the 1 hour. And now it's pretty much just going. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But personally, I just don't want to really chase a play as well. So, okay, hold on, give me a second. Do you prefer 1 hour or 4 hours to see empty space? So it doesn't matter. I personally like the higher time frame. So if I want to swing trade, I would want to see a time frame of like 24 hour or the 4 hour or the weekly chart. But if I'm doing a day trade, then yeah, I would want it on a 1 hour, a 30-minute chart, possibly a 2 hour chart, things of that sort. So when it goes up, don't you want to sell? So if it goes up, so as you can see for this example, we see a clear move down, and if we see a clear move down, we would love to take it up. But if we see a clear move up, so if I see a clear move up, we have a top wall, bottom wall, I would love to take it to the downside. And yeah, that's just pretty much how we do it. What are the chances of downside now in yours? So yeah, AAL, yeah, I got you, Scoop Steve, no worries. So for what? For the Qs? Are you saying that for the Qs, or are you saying that for a different stock? Just let me know. But yeah, as you can see, we did end up breaking above the wall. I personally just don't want to chase to a play though, and I don't really like getting directly in at market open. Oh yeah, for the Qs. So for the Qs at least. All right, so there is a lot of empty space that we did end up creating here, but we probably would have to go to a lower time frame and then take it to the downside. So right now, yes, we do have empty space. This does look pretty good. There's just no structure here. Obviously, yes, this other empty space that I'm seeing here that looks fairly decent is this. So yes, we see and even empty space can be a gap. So we have a gap up, we end up breaking below the wall, I would love to take it to the downside. So right now, we're pretty much, you know, into the empty space above us. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, it is pretty much going up. So, but not bad, not bad. So now let's keep on going. Look at the US. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at that. Yeah, no worries. So AAL, let's do that. Let's see, 1 second here. All right, so AAL, let's see what the damage is here, of course. All right, so personally, I do see something here that, you know, looks fairly fire. It looks really good, really decent. All right, so it looks like we have a top wall, bottom wall there. It looks like we did end up breaking above this wall. Doesn't look bad. First TP would still be the middle of this move, and the middle of this move is the 50% mark. This is where we typically trim most contracts. Obviously, yes. Am I going to take this trade? Absolutely not. But I do see this. So 1 second here. So yeah, that's the 4-hour AAL. That does look pretty fire. Still a lot of empty space here. But personally, on this 24-hour, this is what I see here. This looks really good. So yes, what is this? And yeah, Catherine, I'll do Disney for you. I think you wanted Disney right after this one. So yes, personally, I do like this empty space move down here. So there's a clear move down with no consolidation. 1 second, gotta change that. Well, look at the Qs. Absolutely going. Wow, that's wild. All right, so yeah, let me actually pull it up so I don't forget it. So yeah, no worries. And yes, if you are in my VIP chat, I will be in there in probably like the next 20 minutes, so no worries. Look how beautiful that looks. Anyways, so yes, what do we have here? We have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall there. That looked pretty decent. Yes, wall that needs to be broken. This 1182 area. I don't see any resistance, guys. Until boom, this green candle there. And yes, we are at this 1025, so there's just nothing for us to do right now. But we have empty space that looks really fire, that looks really decent. As you can see, will I take this trade right now? Absolutely not. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything either, so please do your own research. RZL, yeah, I can definitely do that for you. No worries. So that was on what, AAL. That does look pretty fire. Man, look at the Qs. Oh man. Yeah, I've definitely got to miss this play. Empty space. Oh man, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. We broke above the wall. Now we're tapping into the empty space. Obviously, really don't want to chase into this play. So, absolutely wild. So, anyways, now we keep going. Hold on, give me a second. Let me look at the chat as well. 1 second. One second. All right, yeah, we're good. Let's see. All right, yeah, we're good. Just making sure everyone is doing fine, doing well. Qs, yeah, that looks pretty good. Hold on, give me a second here. AV looks pretty decent, not bad. AAPO, so Disney. All right, yeah, we'll definitely do Disney right here, right now. So yes, all my trades are gonna look exactly alike. I don't change anything. Yeah, all markets are pretty much up right now. I like how the Qs are trying to recover. Good sign for the market. So yeah, the Qs they're doing pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, wow. Okay, so this does look pretty fire. And also, let me pull up EA for you. Wow, looks like Qs are in that empty space. Dang, I just don't like chasing. I wish that would have happened pre-market, but anyway, or not pre-market. All right, so yeah, and yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. And yes, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. That's where we give out signals, all that good stuff. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second here. just got some frozen blueberries. All right, so so for the Qs, let me see Qs. Wow, looks like, man, we're definitely into that empty space for sure. I just don't want to chase this play, but yeah, empty space, that looks really good. All right, so Disney, I definitely would like to take this at the end of the day if we can end up breaking above this wall. Obviously, a 4-hour candle closure looks really good, but end of day swing doesn't look bad if we can end up breaking above this wall, this level, this 92.19. That looks really good. But yes, right now, am I going to enter into anything? Absolutely not. Please do your own research, of course, not financial advice. So right now, we are still stuck in consolidation, but above this level, above this wall, that does look, you know, absolutely fire. Looks really good. So yeah, right now, that does look fire. I've been waiting on this trade for quite a while now, so yeah, that does look pretty fire. Hold on, give me a second. All right, so EA, hold on, give me a second, 1 second. RZLV, yeah, no worries, man. RZLV, yeah, let me pull that up. Yeah, let's do it. So yeah, let's do EA really quickly. But yeah, Disney that looked really, really fire. All right, so, ooh, wow, okay. Yo, Shining, this is good. This is great. Yeah, we've been waiting on Nike too. So Nike has been another trade that we have been waiting for. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with that. If it doesn't move fast with high volume, is it risky? Am I right? So it really just depends on, you know, the play. Obviously, some stocks move, you know, faster than others, but you know, it really just depends on like the strike price that I buy as well. So yes, top wall, we have the bottom wall here and above us. But yeah, this is why I always have a break-even stop loss, and that's exactly, you know, what I do there. So yeah, Meta, yeah, no worries. Yeah, we'll definitely go over Meta too, no worries at all. So yes, as you can see, clear move down, no consolidation. I would love to break above consolidation. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh man. And I don't see any resistance, guys. Personally, I would want to take it up all the way up to here. And that looks really good. This is another top wall, another box. So top, also bottom. And yes, inside the middle, we have the empty space. So inside the middle, we have empty space that looks really good. Yes, what do we see? We see candles that look really fire, that look, you know, fairly decent. We see a clear move down that we will love to take to the upside. And that looks really good. So hopefully at the end of the day, we can end up breaking above this wall, this level, and I would love to take it to the upside. But right now, no, I'm not entering into anything. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research as well. But wow, that looks, I'm not gonna lie, that looks really good. Looks really good. All right, so RZLV, let's go to a 24-hour chart. So yes, I like to start on the higher time frame. And yes, if you are in my Discord, we mainly do end of day swing trades. Obviously, I will do a little bit more work for the Discord as well for the swing trade, for the day trades. All right, so RZLV. So personally, I will be completely honest here. So this is what I would do personally. I see this clear move up of no consolidation. That looks really good. That looks really decent. And MK, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Can we take? Yeah, we can definitely do the Qs levels again. Yeah, no worries at all. And as you can see, what is this? Clear move up that I would love to take to the downside. All that I would want here is a top wall and a bottom wall. But personally, we don't have a top and bottom wall yet. So maybe in the next couple of days, we'll get, you know, a good top, a good bottom, and then we can take it to the downside. But right now, I personally wouldn't want to take this right now until we establish some structure. But yeah, that empty space looks absolutely amazing. So yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. But for the Qs, yeah, personally, I just don't like taking trades like this, you know, that's already, you know, I just don't like chasing. But yeah, we have a clear empty space move down. We have a wall that we need to break above. We ended up breaking above this wall. We go up and tap and target. But personally, I may not even get into this trade because I just don't like chasing. But yeah, that does look fairly decent. As you can see, we have clear move down. We love that 489 and that 491 area. But we'll just have to see. And yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research, of course. 1 second. All right, yeah, let's see. All right, yeah, we're good. Hold on 1 second. One second. All right, yeah, we're good. Just making sure that the chat is all good. All right, so same thing. Every single play is going to look exactly like. And yes, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. We also have the VIP chat. That's where we give out signals, all that good stuff. Thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, for the Qs, it looks like we are trying to basically target up to the upside. But personally, I just don't really want to chase that right now. Ooh, Disney looks so good, though. I'm not gonna lie, Disney looks really good. So Tesla, yeah, we definitely do that as well. So Meta, Tesla. 1 second here. So Meta, and Tesla. All right, let's see what the damage is here for. So we have empty space. Oh, so it looks like we did end up trying to break below, but we could not end up making that move. Let's see. Oh, this looks fairly good. This looks really good. So right now, yeah, we'll definitely do Tesla right after this one. Yeah, no worries at all. Wow, this looks really good. I can't lie to you. Thanks for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. And yes, all of my trades are going to look exactly like. I don't change anything at all. What do we see? Clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. Obviously, what do I need here? We need a beautiful top, bottom, and as you can see, this top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to go to the upside is here. This is an area of consolidation. We end up breaking above that wall. I don't see any resistance, guys, so hold on. And so, boom, this green candle here. And yes, this is also another area of consolidation that looks really good. As you can see, we are currently stuck in consolidation, so there's just nothing for me to do right now. Obviously, first TP would still be the middle of the move. So from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of this move, that looks really good. Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. SMC, yeah, let's do SMCI, yeah, no worries. All right, so obviously, let's see, SMCI and Tesla. So we gotta do Tesla too. Let me pull up Tesla. Let's see what the Qs are doing really quickly. So Qs looks like we may end up retapping and testing, but personally, I might just miss this one. I don't really want to take that. All right, so for Tesla, this is what I have here, and this is what I say. I've been waiting on this one for a good amount of time too, so probably like a day or two. But yeah, same thing here. What do I see? Clear move up of this big green candle here. So this has an area of no consolidation, and all that I'm basically waiting for is an area of consolidation to be broken. And boom, we have a body candle closing directly at the same price. And once we do end up breaking underneath that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this red candle here. Yes, inside the middle, what do we see? Empty space. This is exactly what I would like. If we do end up breaking below that wall, I don't see any resistance until down here. So that looks fairly decent. That looks really good. But right now, what are we doing? We are consolidating. No, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice, but yeah, we're still consolidating in between these two levels. That doesn't look bad. Yes, looks really good for that. So that was on what, Tesla? Not bad. So yeah, we're just pretty much gonna wait. EA looks really good though, I can't lie. So yeah, SPY too. Let's see. SMCI. So SMCI. So this was a play that we already did end up catching, and this was and as you can see, yes, we did end up catching it. I can pull up charts. And yes, I have to clean up the free chat, the chat as well. Clear move down. We end up breaking above the wall level. We went up and tapped, and we're still struggling to get above my imbalance. As you can see, I'm pretty much done with this play. And that looks really good. But yes, I'm pretty much done with this play. So yeah, not financial advice. So yes, please do your own research. So I missed Tesla. So Tesla, pretty much we are consolidating in between these two levels. I would love this downside movement, but right now there's just absolutely nothing for me to do. I don't like anything here, unless we can get underneath that wall. So now let's keep going. So 1 second here. Yo, MK, what's up? Do you take any contracts for it? So if I swing trade, it's my my contracts that I buy out is going to be at least a week or 2 weeks out. If I day trade, if I do the Qs, I might do 0 DTE, but mainly most of my trades will be, you know, I'll at least buy a week or two out, and that's pretty much it for all of my swing trades. I do like to, you know, get some time, so, you know, have time for, you know, some good trades and stuff. But yeah, as you can see, we can end up going back up, but personally for the Qs, I just don't want to take this one right now. I just don't like it right now. So we'll just have to see. EA looks so good, man. Not even gonna lie. Can I check you? Yeah, no worries. Let's do it. And yes, guys, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free Discord as well. For you, this is what I have here. Personally, I don't really see anything that I like except for this. So yes, top wall, bottom wall here. We break under there. I don't see any resistance until down to here. And yes, what is this? Empty space. So right now, there's just nothing that I would want to take here except for just to wait for a good trade. But yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. Not bad, not bad. But yes, guys, I will be getting off now. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I will be on live within like another hour or so. But yes, I will have to go inside the VIP Discord. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. This is where we give signals. But yes, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. I'll see you all soon. Thank you.